Unlock the secrets of early bird check-in. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in your travels or while planning a trip. Early bird check-in. This phrase is not only interesting but also very useful, especially for those of you who love to travel. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it to your advantage. Early bird check-in is a term commonly used by airlines and hotels. The phrase combines two concepts, early bird and check-in. Early bird traditionally refers to someone who arrives or acts before others, inspired by the proverb, "The early bird catches the worm," which suggests that success comes to those who prepare well and act quickly. Check-in refers to the process of registering your arrival at a hotel or airport, usually involving confirmation of a booking and, for flights, the assignment of a seat. When put together, early bird check-in refers to an option allowing passengers or guests to check in earlier than the standard time. This can offer several advantages, such as a better choice of seats on a flight or a longer stay in a hotel room. Opting for early bird check-in can provide several key benefits. 1. Peace of mind. Secure your spot or seat well in advance, reducing travel day stress. 2. Better selection. Gain access to preferred seating options or room types. 3. Time savings. Avoid long lines at the airport or hotel, saving valuable time. It's a feature that often requires an additional fee, but many find the convenience and benefits well worth the cost. Availing of early bird check-in is usually straightforward. Here are the general steps. 1. Booking. When purchasing your flight or hotel stay, look for an early bird check-in option. 2. Fee. Be prepared to pay a small additional fee for this convenience. 3. Confirmation. Once selected and paid for, you'll receive confirmation of your early check-in status. Airlines and hotels might have different procedures, so always check their specific guidelines. Early bird check-in is a fantastic option for travelers looking to make their journey smoother and more enjoyable. By understanding and utilizing this feature, you can start your trips on the right foot, ensuring a stress-free experience. We hope this video has shed some light on what early bird check-in means and how you can benefit from it. Safe travels, and see you in our next video.